Cache Giraffe availability can change depending on the country or region connected to your device and account settings. By the end, you'll know why Cache Giraffe may show different offers by location, and what steps to check if your region is incorrect. Cache Giraffe uses your device and account information to determine which offers and features are available. If your region changes, some games, rewards, or app features may appear different or become unavailable. The first thing to check is your phone's region settings. On Android, open your device settings and review the language, region, or location settings depending on your phone model. On iPhone, check the region under your Apple ID settings. Make sure the selected region matches where you actually live. Next, check your App Store account region. Cache Giraffe is downloaded through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and the store region can affect which apps and services are available. If your App Store country does not match your current location, the app may not work as expected. You should also check your internet connection. Using a VPN, or a connection that routes through another country, can sometimes make apps detect the wrong location. Disable any VPN service, reconnect to your normal network, and open Cache Giraffe again. If you recently moved to a different country, your account settings may not update immediately. Close the app completely, restart your device, and sign back into Cache Giraffe to refresh the connection. Avoid changing your region repeatedly just to access different offers. App rewards and availability are usually based on your actual location, and incorrect information can create account issues. If the problem continues, contact Cache Giraffe support through the APS help option. Explain that your region is showing incorrectly, mention your device type, and include any error message you see. Before contacting support, update Cache Giraffe to the latest version available in your App Store. App updates can fix issues related to account settings and compatibility. The main points are simple. Check your phone region, verify your App Store country, and remove anything that can change your detected location, such as a VPN. Your next step is to confirm that your device, App Store, and Cache Giraffe account are all using the same real region. Subscribe for more Cache Giraffe fixes, app guides, and step-by-step solutions.